I'm gonna make egg fried rice today. I'm wearing a mask because I can't show my face on YouTube, and you can see my face a bit, but I think we're gonna have to go landscape mode for this. Yeah, wait. No, wait, what? Yes, no, because I'm doing it on the phone right now. Give me a sec, let me unscrew this. Oh shoot. Come on. Yes. Nope. Oh. I can't breathe under here, I am. I can. Oh shoot. Give me a sec. I want to pause this. Wait, no. I don't want to edit. I hate editing so bad. Shoot. If my mask falls down, I want to go down. Shit. Oh my god. Come on, bro. Bro, I'm going to pause this. So, we're going to make egg fried rice. I need to get the recipe right there. And I'm using my camera here, and I'm monitoring on the phone because I can't see this screen because the camera's pointing. This is the back of the camera. You know what a camera is. So I'm using my phone. I'm monitoring how I look. I know if this mask falls off, I'm gonna go down. I'm gonna have to edit it, bro. Give me a second. Okay, so we're making fried rice. I need to get the recipe. I've got something. Recipe from the egg fried rice. Yeah, this is what I call Roger style. Okay. If this mask falls off, it's about to fall off. I feel it. Right there. Oh shoot. Give me a second. If it falls off. Okay, it's stable. Okay, get the rice. Oh my god, this is not sponsored, sorry. So yeah, now you don't have any problems, so you can just chop that bit off. I have to peel it. Wait, it's starting to bubble. Give me a second. I have so many pauses in this video. I wish I can pause on the phone, but it can't even. Come on. Okay. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Got some left. Put that in the garlic area. Okay, then put this rubbish on the side there. Some tissue. Okay, yeah. Oh my god, I forgot something. Wait there. I chopped the onion, it's there. So we show it. Onions here. Do you see? And there's some garlic under there. That's not it. It's this here. Okay, then chop this 2 chilies. I got spring onion as well. So I want just chop the onion until it's dicey, or like chop it, and for the garlic, I can't mash it, so I diced it as well. And I've got the spring onion here, so chop it. Just chop the spring onion. Okay, then 2 chilies. Wash them. I wash my I wash the vegetables always. So it's like, you know, washing your vegetables so it'll be clean. Okay. What's this? Okay then. Top it off. Top it. So I'm going to a school trip, and literally, I have to review it. Since I'm digital leader, technically tech, whatever, techie, you can search what that is. And some people, we're going on a trip because of that. Some people get to go to with Google workers for bet. Such a 9 watts bet. And they get to go with bet, man. Bet. No, but they go with Google, and I have to review products and apps for stuff. That's so unfair. I want to meet Google, man. They're collab with Samsung. And I want to ask them, like, how is Samsung collab? Like, they collab with Samsung. I love Samsung, man. Okay. What's next on my recipe? Cooking time, okay. Turn on the stove, okay. Okay, got that thing, okay. I'm gonna give me a sec. Oh, finally the mask is off. Oh my god. My face is free now. Oh. Okay. Okay, I'm back now. Sorry, just for inconvenience. This mask is very uncomfortable. With oil, this very. Give me a second. Get a vegetable order. Okay, wait there. No. Oh shoot. Rectangle. Oh shoot. So first, I'm going to start up your stove. Okay, get your wok, place it there. Just put 2 drops of vegan oil. I'm getting the oil to go there. Okay. Then oil to spread around. Okay. There you go. And what else? Then spread the oil in there. And put the garlic and shallot. Okay, so and wait for it. So get the wooden spoon. Just get a metal spoon then. Okay, metal spoon or wooden spoon. Okay, the oil is now done. Oh, come on! I thought it would be... Okay, there. Okay, there. Now, spread around the thing. Where do I put the clay pot? Oh shoot. That's not only a space. Oh shoot! Shoot! Bro, come on! Clay spot's there. The camera's about to die. I don't know what to do. Let's see how long it lasts. Let's hope it lasts how much it should, please. Okay. It Second. Oh shoot. Okay. Sadly, I didn't record any behind the scenes because I didn't want to, but I wish that I had. Okay. Now, do the oil, leave this, then put the egg. Okay, I'm gonna have to not record this one. The camera died. And now we have to record it on my phone. Okay, I'm gonna pause this. I'm gonna mix it. Okay, I'm starting to add stuff now. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Add pepper. Take that some pepper. I'll probably put my recipe in the bottom. Make okay. Step aside and let it sit for 2 minutes actually. Okay then. I think you I'll put my here. Let me add more. No. Bro, I have so much rice. Uncle Rogers, you see this, you're the best, and thank you for knowing me, but he's never going to see me. Okay, there you go. And what else? I think that's finished. Let it sit for 2 minutes. So I'm gonna, okay, now I'm gonna pack up each other. So guys, that's the recipe of the MSG. Don't add any MSG, just, if you don't want MSG, just add salt. Yeah, if you, let me take that a bit. Oh shoot, I have a mask on, damn it. That tastes good. Hey, bye guys.